Hi everyone, so this is going to be our daily agenda for Tuesday, March 16th. So for today, reminders, today is evens. For your do now, for my 3-4, you guys worked yesterday a little bit on the that video, the ancient Sumerians video. So you guys are going to be finishing up your words to know, symbols, and sentences. So just to show you what that looks like, you guys are going to be inserting a symbol today and then using it in a complete sentence. So that's what you guys are going to be doing for this one. For if you are in my 3-4 or 5-6, what you guys are actually going to be working on for your do now is the history of writing. So you're going to watch this video, you guys are going to write your responses on why the ancient Sumerians used a writing system. So that's what you will be working on. For the rest of class, we are going to continue on with our origin of writing, lecture, and notes. So if you are in my 1-2, we will be going over this as a group just so that we reiterify what are some symbols and what are some complete sentences. I'm going to give you guys some time in class, an extra 5 to 10 minutes to finish up on the history of writing video if you guys have not seen it. And then we're going to go back to our lecture and we are going to be looking at your names in some cuneiform, which I think would be really cool. You guys can be able to see that. And then you guys will be working on this reading assignment in class. And then you guys will be working on your summary. If you are in my 3-4 or 5-6, it's going to look slightly different. You guys are going to be starting off your do now with a history of writing. Then you guys are going to be moving into this chart. I will give you guys time independently in class to work on it, but then we will work on it together as a whole group. Then we will also all be looking at how to write your name in cuneiform, just because I think that would be really cool for you guys to see as well. And then, again, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. We will be working on these reading assignments. You guys will most likely be split in your groups to work on this reading assignment because I feel like you guys will get the most out of it when you guys are in those small groups. For 3, 4, 5, 6, you might not be split. You guys might be working on your own and independently. I'll give you guys that option for 5, 6. And then you guys will ultimately, for your exit ticket of the day, you guys are just going to summarize what are the origins of writing systems based on the resources you found in this lesson. Then you guys will also be taking a quiz. So your quiz, as always, is going to be located in your Google Classroom. See right there where it says Semester 2 Origin of Writing Systems quiz. That's where you guys are going to be taking that tomorrow. So that's going to be at the end of our class. As always, if you guys have any questions or need anything from me, please send me an email, send Ms. Arroyo an email, send Ms. Reyes an email, and we'll get back to you. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class tomorrow.